Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many drivers wonder if they can save time or money by just swapping out their oil filter. While it's technically possible to replace only the filter without draining all the oil, it's a practice widely advised against by mechanics and manufacturers. Think of it this way. A new filter dropped into old, contaminated oil won't provide the protection your engine truly needs. This method significantly compromises your engine's health over time. The primary job of your oil filter is to capture harmful debris, sludge, and metal shavings, preventing them from circulating through your engine. When you install a new filter but keep old, dirty oil, all those accumulated contaminants immediately rush into your pristine filter. This effectively makes your new filter old and inefficient almost instantly, offering minimal benefit to your engine's lubrication system. It's a bit like putting a fresh coffee filter into a pot of already brewed coffee. Ignoring proper oil changes, even with a new filter, invites a host of serious problems. Over time, contaminated oil loses its lubricating properties, causing increased friction and heat within your engine's vital moving parts. This accelerated wear can lead to significant sludge buildup, reduced engine efficiency, and potentially catastrophic component failures. Ultimately, trying to save a few dollars now could result in far more expensive repairs down the road, compromising your vehicle's reliability. Are there any scenarios where changing only the filter makes sense? Truly, very few. Perhaps if you just had a full oil change and the new filter somehow became damaged or defective almost immediately. In such a specific case, replacing only the filter might be a short-term emergency solution. However, this is not a substitute for a proper oil and filter change. Consider it a temporary band-aid, not a long-term fix for your engine's health. So, what's the updated best practice for 2025? It's straightforward. Always replace your oil filter whenever you change your engine oil. This synergistic approach ensures your engine receives consistently clean, properly lubricated oil, dramatically reducing wear and tear. Following your vehicle's maintenance schedule for both components will protect your investment, maintain its performance, and save you from potential headaches. Your engine will certainly thank you for it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.